In Matrix, we have a tab called Settings. Here we have the general settings. It's all about your company settings, your email configuration. You can have your contact settings here, other settings such as currency, time zone, yearly capacity, operating expenses, excluding admin salaries, and so on. You can put your work week in here, and your SUNAGO plan is here as well. Then we will look at the users. From here, you'll have an overview of your users, what role they actually have, and you can change it here if you want them to be an admin or not. You can send an email to reset the password from here as well. Under customization, we have different ways of customizing the matrix system. You can customize the statuses of your CRM system. Here is the lead status. You can do it for the deal status as well. For activities related to non-billable time entries, we already have 10 default activities, but you can add your own down here as well, and you can untoggle these ones if you don't want to use them. There are some lists in the CRM systems as well, such as the lead list, contacts list, and deal lists. You can modify them here. For risk management, you can see how we currently use it, but if you want to change the threshold, you can do it here. For teams and departments, you can add a new department or you can add a new team that's linked to a department. Right here, we have some role management, and here you can enter the role your employees have in your system and choose what they actually have access to in Matrix. Soon we'll be having some integrations with Matrix. They'll appear here. Here we have the API and automations. So it's possible for you to create your own automations in the system or even add a webhook.